Everybody, welcome back to my channel Learn Spanish with Khushbu, and today we're going to be learn basic Spanish in 3 minutes, just 3 minutes. Take your notebook and start writing. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and like my video. Now the first one is hola. H is silent. Hola means hi or hello. Then we have adios. Adios. Okay, A has to be pronounced as A, and as you can see, O has an accent. That means we have to stress on it. Adios. Adios, which means goodbye. Then we have buenos dias. D is pronounced the, not the. Buenos dias. Again, accent on the I, so we have to stress. Buenos dias. Good morning. Buenas tardes. T is pronounced T. Buenas tardes. Next one, good afternoon. Buenas noches. Buenas noches. Good night. Hasta mañana. See you tomorrow or bye. Now when the N has curly line, we do nya sound. Hasta pronto. See you soon. Nos vemos. See you. Now we have numbers. Uno, U is pronounced U. 1. Dos. 3. 3. Cuatro. 4. Cinco. See, th sound. Th. 5. 6. 6. 7. 7. 8. 8. 9. 9. 10. 10. Sentences. Tengo dos manzanas. Z sound. Th. I have 2 apples. Hay 5 gatos. There are 5 cats. Compré 6 libros. I bought 6 books. ¿Cómo estás? How are you? Question marks come on the left upper other way round, and the right hand side correct question mark, which we write normally. Buenos días, ¿cómo estás? Good morning, how are you? Estoy bien, gracias. ¿Y tú? I am fine, thank you. And you? Y in Spanish is and, pronounced E. Gracias. Thank you. Gracias por la ayuda. Thank you for the help. ¿Cómo te llamas? How are you? Double L, y sound, or y. Me llamo. My name is. Me llamo Ana. My name is Ana. ¿Dónde vives? Where do you live? Vivo en Madrid. I live in Madrid. ¿De dónde eres? Where are you from? Soy de España. I am from Spain. ¿A qué te dedicas? What do you do? Soy estudiante de español. I am a student of Spanish. Por favor. Please. De nada. Welcome. ¿Dónde está? Means where is. ¿Dónde está el baño, por favor? Where is the bathroom, please? ¿Dónde está la farmacia, por favor? Where is the pharmacy, please? Tengo hambre. I am hungry. Tengo sed. I am thirsty. Okay, thank you for watching. Hasta luego. Bye. Now don't forget to share and subscribe and like my video if you enjoyed it. And I will see you next time with the next video tomorrow.